Zimbabwe have got the skills. I think what we need to do is just to ensure that we have got a national strategy to say, as a land-linked country, we need to see how we can benefit from being central in SADC to bring the people into Zimbabwe for medical tourism rather than to go across the ocean to India and other jurisdictions. So we believe that we need a national strategy around medical tourism and capacitate the local public, the local institutions, both public and private, to have inbound tourism. Even in terms of ensuring that there's enforcement of regulation, I think it's very important that we have got a dedicated regulatory authority. I know there was a bill that was being discussed, but this seems to have slowed down as of now, and the industry is not very clear on the position regarding regulation. Obviously, there are other players, regulators for other industry who are also lobbying now to regulate the healthcare sector. We don't know, maybe for us we are the children, we cannot choose the parents, but we are waiting to see who will be appointed the regulator for the industry. But as an industry, we believe that it's a good practice for us to be regulated.